Hi YouTube, how you doing? I wanted to make this video to talk about this new keyboard that Apple is about to add to iOS 26. So I started testing the beta 3 of iOS 26 that I think should be the final version should be coming out in a few months. They added what is going to be the base for the Haitian Creole language. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can set this up using your personal iPhone. Now, I'm on the home screen. I'm going to open the settings app and then we will scroll down to the section where we have keyboard, and then the first option we can select the keyboards being used. And now what we have to do is just to type add new keyboard. From there we can just go ahead and either scroll through the list until we find Haitian Creole, or we can use the search function. But in my case, I'm going to scroll down, and now we have the Haitian Creole keyboard selected. By default, it's using the QWERTY, but with the Haitian Creole variation. And we can see the additional letters that are added that will facilitate typing. This operating system has existed for 18 years now, and just now you're adding support for this language. But I mean, it's better late than never. This iPhone 15 Pro that I'm using right now to record this video is my first iPhone, and before that I've been using Android for years and years, and the keyboard situation on iOS has been pretty surprising to me. When I first set up this device, this is where I realized that there's no support for Haitian Creole like at all in the default keyboard, and I had to download a third-party keyboard, so I went with SwiftKey, which is the one that allows me to use this language. I've seen some complaints about issues with the Apple keyboard. Sometimes it's not giving you proper suggestions. Yeah, some spell checker problems, word prediction problems. This seems to be very common with the Apple keyboard. So yeah, I understand. So maybe keyboard is one of these Apple weaknesses. Now, the current implementation is not really complete because it just has the basic layout, which I like, by the way. I will talk about that in a moment. But you just have the basic Haitian Creole layout. If you want word prediction and autocorrect and things like that, they haven't added that yet. I expect these to be added in future versions of the operating system. I think maybe in the coming weeks and months, we can have something that's more solid, more complete that my Asian brothers and sisters can enjoy using. Now, this is the first time I think I've seen a non-screen keyboard that uses the proper layout for this language, because what these third-party keyboards have ended up doing, and this is not just on iOS, I had that on Android as well. They will give you a basic QWERTY layout, and then they will just add word predictions to it that is in Haitian Creole. Now, this is fine. You can use it, but it's not really a complete solution, because when you want to insert accents, for example, because this language uses lots and lots of accents, when you want to insert an accent, you will just go and long press the letter, and then it will give you multiple options. From there, you can select the letter you need with the proper accent. And this implementation, we have something better because we have letters that we do not use. For example, we do not use letter Q. We do not use letter X in Haitian Creole. Apple replaces those with commonly used accented letters like the letter O and the letter E. Having those will help us type way faster. I find this extremely, extremely interesting, and I think this is very promising. So hopefully they add a proper dictionary and word predictions and things like that to make the keyboard more complete. I will continue testing the newer versions of this iOS beta software, and if we have anything that's interesting that I think I can share, if there's anything interesting, I'll make another video to talk about it. If you happen to like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos. And that's it for me. I'm out. Peace.